What's up, people? We're back again. Welcome on my YouTube channel. My name is Clifford Mlauzi. I'm a funded trader and I've been funded with Fxify for a period of 6 to 7 months now. And I'm here to talk about Fxify. I'm going to be able to answer some of the questions that you guys have been asking me about Fxify. And I'm also going to be able to show you some of the payouts that Fxify has done. I remember back then when I was jumping on Fxify, it was just like a new platform that was been in the game for like over 2 months, and they had just like started their operations, and I was skeptical to make a move to start trading with them. Imagine, it was just like 2 months in the game and I was skeptical to trade with them. Because I wasn't sure if real platform that was gonna like be there for us traders. But when I asked one of my friends who was also funded with the same platform, and they actually showed me a proof of payout from them, I was okay to go ahead with this platform because I didn't need a platform that has been in the game for a long time to believe that this platform pays, but I just needed to be showed a proof that this platform really does pay. And it showed me, and I went ahead. I also bought my 15k account and I was able to pass right away, and I was able to make my first payout. Guys, it was really crazy. It was good, and this was like my first payout from a platform, and it really felt good because I had invested less and I was able like to make more, and this was really good. But unfortunately, I ended up losing the account, but I didn't stop there. I went as far as getting another account. That went well. I got funded as well, and I got payouts. Ever since that time, I have never tried any other platform, and I've always been with Fxify. Whether I lose my account or whatever, I still come back to Fxify, still buy the challenges and still trade, get payouts and go. The reason is because this is the platform that has really proven to me there's no drama, customer service is good, and everything is just good. They are broker, they have good, and everything is just good. And I'm here just to make few things clear, and at the end I'm gonna show you all the payouts from Fxify. But right now I want to answer some of the questions like how many phases does Fxify offer. So Fxify offers a single phase, a double phase, and also a 3-phase evaluation. All of them are going to differ on prices, and are also going to differ on their drawdowns and on their max drawdowns. So you can actually check in this information on their website. There's a link in the description below. You can just click it and then go on their page. But I always recommend you guys to buy a 2-phase at all account sizes. Just go with a 2-phase because the 2-phase is much good, it's much flexible, has got 5% daily drawdown and 10% max drawdown. If you go with that one, just practice proper risk management and you're gonna be funded. The next thing is, how can I buy a funded account, or how can I buy a funded challenge? So what you're gonna do is just to simply use your Visa card. If you cannot use a Visa card, you can use PayPal. If you cannot use PayPal, then you can just use crypto. I recommend you guys to use Litecoin because Litecoin is like cheaper, and I've also made mistakes where I'll find myself using like other crypto like Bitcoin. I ended up like paying a lot of fees. So if you use Litecoin, you're gonna pay less fees and you're still gonna get your payment field. So you better do that. And the next thing is, they still have the 5 minimum trading days, and they don't have unlimited days, which is something that is really good. And apart from that, what I can say is they also have like a KYC that you need to sign always, the contract agreement. And the good thing about this platform is that they pay through to Rise. You're gonna get it immediately, so you can get it through your Binance or your Visa card or PayPal. I mean, to whatever method you can choose, you're still gonna get it. But I prefer if you can just get it to your Binance, that's fine. Otherwise, now let me get to the payouts and show you how this platform has been paying out people. Remember to like and subscribe this video. If you'd like to visit the website of the platform, then there's a link in my bio. You can actually buy the challenges. They have got a 10k, a 15k, a 25k, a 50k, a 100k, a 200 and a 400k account. They are flexible and they are also cheaper on the market. So the good thing about this platform is that they have got payout on demand, which means you are able to be paid your profit as soon as you make your first profit without waiting for 14 days. Without further ado, let's now see the payouts. and you can see this is Fxify, Fxify payout proof. So you can actually see another one requested a payout, and he got the payout in Rise, and that was like 8,109. And another person also requested another payout. This guy, his payout got approved. Approved came in. Funds should land soon. Thank you guys. And this one got paid 15,100, which is really, really good. And finally, thank you Fxify. Wasn't 24 to 48 hours, but you came through, and now I can relax knowing Fxify pays the trader. Not even 8 hours after I requested the payout, I already transferred the money to my bank account and got 100K after I passed the challenge. You guys are crazy. I swear Fxify best pro firm ever I've traded with. So this is crazy, guys. Like, you can actually see the testimonials already in my bank account. Paid 1,500. Another one paid in 24 hours. Great work, Fxify. And another guy, oh guys, this is like the craziest payout. You've just received $109.62 from Fxify. Go ahead and withdraw your funds. This is really, really good, guys. And next is, I just received my 300. So if you can see, guys, this is like real proof, guys, from Rise. Oh, this is like crazy. Why would a platform spend time faking things? All this, like, just to get you buy a popular platforms? Nah, this platform is really, really legit, man. Like, you can see, this is crazy. You shouldn't really like take much time on this video. You can just click on the link in my bio and push so that you can actually also buy your first phase and get funded. You can see, oh, this is crazy. Like, this is like their Discord. So when you sign up on their website, you get the link to the Discord. We have Gustavo. Oh my goodness. Yeah, payouts are still coming. This guy just received 737.89, which is really nice. This guy is 6,100. Yeah, so this is like something that is crazy, guys. You should actually jump on this platform. The links are in the description below, and there are also discount codes that you can use. They're also in the description below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that was helpful. If you are skeptical of going ahead with Fxify, please go ahead. It's a very good platform. There's a link in my description below. You can also use it. They have very, very good discounts. Just use the link in my description below and use the discount codes that I've put below. You're gonna be able to get good deals, like a 40% discount on a 15K, and on any other challenge you can use social 20, where you get a 20% discount, which is really, really good. So don't hesitate. Click the link below and trade with the best platform in the industry, and stay away from the noise and trade until you get paid. Otherwise, don't forget to like this video and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Keep it G. Until next time.